Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing some stuff from the registry for the baby. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is some these are some of the stuff I repurchased for my skincare. I can check out my Amazon store for my selection. I got a sample of this. Maybe I'm in the frame. A sample of this and I like it. So I purchased a full jar. Oh Lord, this come out. This is a kitchen scissors. It's just some everyday essentials basically. This I always get this for the toilet. I need a new scissors set. How is that now? Yeah, so I always get these. So one of them to put in the box. It is like it's taller than me. Oh my god. Pardon my outfit. Pardon it. I can't to lift up things right now. This is like changing something to put the baby on. This is to wash the bottles that it can collapse, save space. All of these are in my Amazon store. Floss for the bathroom refill. I needed my next set of USB charger. That's long for the hospital. And this is what's in it, the foaming thing. And then my Aveeno for sensitive skin. Yeah, so I don't even know what to do right now, but I'm going to put what I can in this box down here. Put what I can. It's a lot of stuff. I'm not even joking. Alright, so let me just repack and then start. Alright, so the other box now. Some of these things are, as I said before, from the registry, and some I purchased because I won't be traveling again until sometime next year when I can travel with the baby. So I just want to get some stuff that will run out by that time. Let me see what's in this. Let's see. Oh, this is a diaper peel. This is from the registry. We can't lift out this, but I'll put a photo. I'm not supposed to be lifting, so I'll put a photo of what this looks like. What is the diaper peel? Alright, so this you can already see what's in it. It's diapers. So I was told it's best to take them out the box and pack them without the box basically. Get rid of the boxes. My god. So it's 6-pack of 26 in it. Yeah. 6-pack. Let me see what size, what stage it is. This is stage 3. Oh, from Hermal. Stage 3 diapers. So there's 6 of them in it. Alright. I don't know what else to do. Alright. Yeah, box number 4. Box number 4 of about 20. Box number 4. I have to go flatten this box in time for the garbage. Alright, so this now is a pack of Bombas heavy man pack of wipes. It's from Erica. Thank you again, Erica. You're not supposed to have streaming up. Oh my. I'm tired already. Jesus. Anyways, right here, so. What's this? Diaper. Diaper. Alright, so this now is stage 2 diaper. You cannot manage. Stage 2 Huggies diaper. Alright. I might have to go over here, so. Where I see some lighter boxes. Alright, over here, so now we look like a bit better. Let me see what's in this. More put myself in the big box that more so I can reduce the amount of boxes them out here. That's what I want. Oh, this is a oh, this is one of those free boxes. As in, yeah, a sample box. So let's see what's in it. I think it's from Hey Baby. It says Hey. Alright, let's see what's in it. I should do this inside. I'm gonna do this inside. I'm gonna do this one inside because I have got 2 more videos to merge about those sample boxes. The battle of the boxes. Alright. Let's see what's in this now. Yeah, I think I purchased these. Postpartum essentials. So here's the pad liner from Freedom Mom. Crack nipple saline spray. These are nipple shields from Medela. How about this? Oh, I'm going to show you a pacifier from Avent. That's at least the boxes are empty. I might empty out the pacifier them too. Yeah. Okay, already coming these. So it's like a soothing pacifier. 0 to 3 months. Don't drop. This is the Tux. Yeah, for hopefully I do. Anyway, not going. Anyways, yeah. Tux cooling pad. These are disposable nursing pads. 60 coming from Mom Cozy. So, oh, and this is it's like a pacifier syringe to give them medication to cannot trip them per se. Hopefully they like pacifier. So yeah, I can pull down this box because it's empty. Alright, so this box now. What is it? I think I purchased these. I think anytime I see one deal, I just buy stuff. So these are what is it again? Pacifier clip. So I guess I put a pacifier on it. I don't know. Yeah, put it on it. Yeah. Jesus, an exportable change pad. I didn't know I bought the one before. So I have 2, I guess. I have 2, and these are some bath toys. A, B, C, D, Z as 1, 2, 3. So, alright. So this box is empty. What if I ask the same way? Alright, so this is the next box. All right. Once again, I think I bought these. Yeah. This is I Love You to the Moon and Back book. Another book, a nursery rhyme book. I'm going to start it. This is my third trimester. Choline for the baby brain because I'll be having a genius. Baby rattle set, like a socks. Hear it? Sorry if I'm going too fast, but it's a lot of boxes. This is washcloth. So it looks so. Anyways, 24 washcloth. The box I'll get packed up now. What's this? Oh, bibs. Silicone baby bibs. These were all purchased on sale. So this is an electric manicure set for the baby nails. There's a next bath toy, or regular toy. There's a silicone feeding spoon. Alright. So what's in this now? Oh, clothes. So these were purchased from my friend Akeem, if I remember properly. Yes, thank you so much again, Akeem. So these are baby clothes. I'm not gonna take them out, sorry, because I'm not gonna pack. I'm gonna think they can pack them as flat as this, but I can always show the photo. For this now. What's this? Oh, this is the next book set. So it has for first book of transport, vegetables, fruits, birds, farm animals and pets, wild animals, color, shape, number, and ABC. Yeah, my first library. All right. All right, what's in this? I think I bought this from Target so I could get the welcome box. It's a 69 months teddy bear welcome onesie with bears. Cute, ain't it? Alright, what else I can't open? I can't select this one. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, so these, as you can see, some receiving blankets. So why am I buy? Well, I'm still gonna need a few more. I mean, I buy look for something on a Walmart, you know. This is Dref scent booster. And what's this? Oh, this is from my friend Little. Thank you so much, girlie. Yes, Chantal Little. Yeah, thank you so much. I remember some of the gifts, you know. I remember some of them. Okay, not bad. I'll keep that in the box. I'm gonna keep it in the box. All right. Ooh. Alright, what's in this? Okay, so this is a diaper bag. I think this is from my friend Shanika. Thank you so much, Shanika. So you can pull out, I'm gonna put a fork, so you can put the baby in to change. Alright, so it's a nice bag. Once again, I can links are in the description box below, and I have an Amazon storefront now, so yeah, you can check it out over there. Okay. I'm going to pardon my clothes. We really need to or get this out. I'll grab a sugar come. I'm gonna get some of the boxes them out too. Kinda hot in about the marina. Alright, what's this? What's this? What's this? It's in a pretty bag. Oh, that me. Who is messaging me? Who? Keep your gift a surprise. What's that? What is? Oh, Nicole. Thank you so much, Nicole. I think she's YouTube, but thank you so much. Cutie. Cute dad. So, I'm not gonna pull this, but I think it's a diaper bag she bought. Yeah, she saw it. She wrote a message. I hope this gift will help you with all the ups and downs of motherhood. Sending you warm wishes as journey for on this new. Sending you warm wishes as journey on this new adventure from Nicole. Aww. Aww, it was so nice. Why, one thing, I give God thanks. I'm blessed. I'm truly blessed. Not in a lie. This right here is a travel stroller. A mini stroller from my friend Brian. Thank you so much, Brian. Alright, so this now. I want this. I want me wrong. Oh boy. What is that now? Thank you for getting me home. What is that? What's this? Oh, playpen. I'm not touch it. Now meat. This is a playpen from Akim. Thank you so much, Akim. See me can rock it out. Rock it out. Rock. Yeah, me not even gonna touch this thing. Yeah. So it's like a plaything. So put them in there, make them go run up and down. Run up and down. Alright? Oi.